ito lang ang taong babayaran mo. And for sure, magiging mayaman ka. Kilala mo ba kung sino siya? Before you pay anyone, pay yourself first. Normally, as soon as natanggap na natin ang ating sweldo, we buy things or pay bills which ang mga may-ari mayayaman na. This time, we will reverse the formula. Before mo babayaran yung mga mayayaman, you pay yourself first. And magagawa mo yan by saving and investing a tiny portion of your income and do it consistently over the long term. Pag ginawa mo yan, for sure, magiging mayaman ka rin. Hindi instantly, but in due time. See you on my next video.